What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Two Guys and a Bug. What are we working on today, Chris?
The wing window on the passenger side.
Yeah, so we got the lock for the wing window is broken, so we're gonna pull that whole unit out. We got a new gasket to go around the glass, and then we gotta get the locking mechanism back on there. So right now we got a screwdriver that doesn't work real well. I mean, it works great, but it would be nice to actually have the lock. So we've done the driver side. We did that a while ago, maybe a year ago, and that one's still good. So we're gonna do the left side and figure we video it so you guys can see how we do it, and maybe either give us some pointers or you'll learn something from it or just enjoy it. So we'll get to it. It's cold out today, Chris. Yeah. He's actually wearing a jacket and I have on shoes. Yeah, I know. Shocking, shocking. I'm not wearing a jacket. I had a jacket on this morning. Gotta love the smell of a rich engine on a cold day. Alright, so here's what we got. We've got, these are, well, they are new door panels, but they're just the cheap ones, and there's cardboard behind it, and then they got moisture that gets behind it and everything else, so y'all know how that happens. But here is the wing window. Obviously the lock is completely gone, and we've got new rubber that we put in around it. We did not get the rubber when we were redoing these for the actual window, the glass. So we got that now, and yeah, so we're gonna get at it. What's that?
I think there's a screw up there.
Yeah, it's been a while since I messed with this.
That's not. Is a screw on that side or is a screw on that side? Can't tell.
I don't know that there's a...
No, because there's something that holds it.
So what we're trying to figure out is if we want to pull this whole thing out.
Yeah, it's on this side.
You got it there?
This side.
Okay. So we need to get the door panel off. Did you find it?
Maybe it is on that side.
It might be on this side. We might have to pull this down. Yeah, there it is.
There it is.
Yeah, so there's a screw here. I don't know how much of that y'all are seeing, but there's a screw on this side, and then there's a 10 mil on this side. So let's get the door handle off. We probably just need to get... This thing is so falling apart.
Yeah.
Go ahead and give me the Allen wrench, please, sir. Yeah, I think that's 5 mil, 5.5. Whatever it takes.
Something.
It's the one that fits.
Yep. Way smaller.
Well, yeah.
That's a 4.
Try. No guarantees, because this is
We're replacing it.
Yep. not using cardboard. We're gonna try something different, and we will definitely take you guys along for the ride on that.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So, well, I bet you could. I bet that 10 mil is that.
Is it that one?
Or wait, no, I think it was supposed to be that one. But it's not. 'Cause that's like up.
Well, you guys aren't even able to see.
Yeah, I moved it down.
So
It's like, how the heck are you supposed to get it angled up in there?
well, we really need to take this panel off. Are you-
Yeah, because I don't know.
Huh?
Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna do it. So just take the panel off. So
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna see if I can't get you guys in there, so you can see what that looks like in there. So here, let me get the camera up in there. Can you see it? Yeah, you really can't.
I can get a light up there if you want.
Yeah, it's really. I know you guys are. Whoa. All right. So we're just gonna take. Yeah. So there's a 10 mil up there. It's a clamp. So Chris is gonna take that out, and then we'll be able to pull this out. Get on there. I'm gonna pull the glass out so we don't break that. Any thought?
I think it's almost. I think it's pretty loose.
Yeah, it is loose. There we go. Should be able to.
I can loosen it a bit more if you want.
Nope.
Got it.
Yeah. So it's just a rod that sits down on there that's clamped in, and that also adjusts your tension for the window when it's open and closed. So if it's open, if it as you're cruising down the road,
Like flutters or something.
yeah, or if it shuts when you get above 90 miles an hour, you can tighten it down and it won't 90 miles an hour. You know what I'm saying.
50.
All right, so what we've got here is we've got these rivets, and the hole is just there. You're not even watching. The hole is just a little bit too small, so Chris is gonna drill those out. Those two. It won't take much. Probably just cleaning up the chrome that was on them. There you go.
There you go.
So we can take that out, and now we got to drill out the old ones in the frame.
Yep.
Did you just do what I just did to make sure that it fits?
Yeah, I did.
It's all right.
I'm not gonna go.
Suggestion.
Yep.
Flip it over
So it's
that way. Yep. And push it forward so that you're on the flat part there. There you go. Well, now that I'm looking at it.
What?
Well, yeah. Go ahead and
Drill both of them out.
yeah. Yeah, let me get you in the camera there. It's not focused. Focus. And then it goes back. That's fine. Alright, so stop. Back, come out of it.
I'm off center a little bit.
Yep, so you want to kind of push it that direction a little bit. Oh, you're all right. Because you're getting it. We don't want it too tight because you don't want to. Go ahead.
Bend it.
Yep.
You can
I'll hold it.
There you go.
Go slow. There you go. That's good. Go ahead and do that one.
Okay.
Good.
A little bit off center on that one too, but
That's all right. So what I want to do is just grab the punch. So you want to do that, and I'll.
sure.
I think what I'm going to do here.
There you go.
One. And two.
Look at that.
All right. I think it goes this way. I think they go in this way.
That's what I just said.
Is that what you said?
That's what I said. Because I said they go up.
Oh, up and not down.
Yeah.
All right.
And I would not use this one. Because this one's partially done.
Partially done.
Yeah, so that one. Yeah, another one. Get a rivet gun.
This is. What do you think this is?
Well, like a.
Oh, a pneumatic one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you buying that?
Well, no.
Oh. I'm just switching out. It comes with 4 different sizes. So you got to make sure you match the size to your. Right? Because the bigger ones, like this is a bigger one, would go in there because it doesn't fit in there.
Mm-hmm.
So. All right, Chris. So it goes up.
Up.
Like that.
Yep.
Then like that.
Yep.
Okay. But the issue we have is that's not quite big enough.
So it needs to be a bit bigger.
So we'll just. Where does this? So
Which one was the one that we?
so here's the deal, guys.
we got 2 of them.
We have 2 that are right, and here's the reason why we have 2 that are right, because well, we're not very organized,
Oh no.
right? Same reason why you have how many 10mm sockets, how many 10mm wrenches, right? You buy one, you misplace it, you go buy another one. So we had 2 of these.
Mm-hmm.
So one of these we drilled out, and one of them we did not. This one we drilled out.
Drilled out. Yep. Because that
This is the one we need to use.
Yep.
So if anybody needs one, hit me up. I'll hook you up. I got an extra.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so and actually, so that one doesn't see. It doesn't line up. That hole is way off on that one. So I'm going to check this one to see if it's any better. Yeah, that's much better.
Okay. So then we're just gonna drill out that one.
So I don't know where we got this one compared to that one from. They're obviously 2 different ones because
This one's brushed aluminum, and this one's chrome.
chromed. So I don't know which one.
They look the same.
They do look the same. I think one we got local and one we got online. All right. So now, in theory,
Yeah, you're flying up against there. Look at
that's
that.
pretty good.
There you go. Now you just gotta do the other one.
So here, you're gonna do that one. I'll switch with you. And if you want, Chris, now that it's held together, you can put it in the vise here to make it a little easier on you. There you go.
There we go.
You want to make sure you're pushing up so that it stays nice and tight to the bottom as you're squeezing it. And then let it out and then push it up again. There you go.
Cool.
And it's in there.
Yep.
And it's pretty flush on the bottom.
Yep.
So let's go ahead and grab onto it, or yeah, take it out. Yeah.
That one wasn't that flush, but that's my fault. See.
No, that should be fine. That should be fine. I don't see any problem with that. Okay.
No.
Now, one thing we need to do is check the glass, because that is, so these parts in here, just can't focus. They do stick up a little bit. I don't know if you can see that or not. So we're going to test fit the glass to make sure that we've got plenty of wiggle room in there. So bring that glass over here. Don't drop it. So how does that? So we've got room there.
Got room there too.
Yeah, I mean we've got to put the seal in it. So
Yep.
so okay. So you got it. You got it. Okay.
Yep, I got it.
All right. So go ahead and take the glass out. All right, guys. We're going Plan B. We're going to use this as our sealant for the window, the glass. They do make this stuff here to put it. Yeah, it's supposed to go around the glass. Yeah, it's supposed to go around the glass and in the frame, and yeah, it just, there's no way we were going to get it in there. I mean, we tried. I saw, I don't even know if it was a video or if it was just a post about somebody who did it, and they pulled it tight around the window, or around the glass. I keep calling it a window. Around the glass. And was able to get it in there. But we tried it, and I was afraid I was going to break it. And if I break it, that's not a good thing.
Nope.
So the funny thing is, when we pick these up, they actually, you know, they're like, well, I think there's a special tool, so I've heard, to put those in. And I'll look and see it. If I find it, then I'll put a picture of it or something. But if I don't, then you're not going to see it. Because I have no idea what that is. But they're like, well, if you can't get the rubber in there, just use the sealant and seal around there, and then push the window in there and let it sit, and that'll work just as good. So that's what we're going to do.
Well, I kind of want. I guess it doesn't really matter. Sorry. Overhand.
There you go. A little bit of a bulge there, but that's not a big deal.
No, that's not a big deal at all. Because once it dries, we can clean that up. Well, that was a whole lot easier than,
Than we thought.
yeah. I don't know if we need to. Kind of do that.
Clean off the edges of it there.
To kind of help seal it, you know? That's what I'm wondering, like if we need to get some in there. You want to hold that up?
Yep.
I'm not real concerned about, this is the inside. I'm not real concerned about the inside, so we might do the same thing to the outside too. There we go. And we can, once it dries, it'll clean up even more. I think that's good, buddy.
Yep.
All right. Now for the fun part.
There you go.
There it goes. There it goes. Got that one out.
Got the new one here.
Yeah, let me get this gasket back into place here if I can. Gotta go down a lot. Am I doing it wrong? Yeah, that's why. This goes on the outside. This goes on the inside. All right, now the fun part, because that wasn't any fun, but this is not going to be even more fun. You have the washer on it?
Yep, got the washer on it.
Did we do it? Which way did we do this side?
I think it was top down.
Yep. But I don't remember how we were able to smush it. Yep. It's going.
It's going.
Yep. Just gotta. I can't see though.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get it to where I can hold it while also. went off.
I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Let me try. I'm gonna try and zoom in so you can see what we got. That's as far as I can go, and it's like not focused very well at all.
If you tap it,
There you go. And that's why you're here. All right, now just.
look at that. There's a little bit.
What?
There's a little like. You see it?
You gonna get picky on me? Yeah, he is. That's okay. It's his car.
There we go. Look at that.
It's like downtown, Charlie Brown. Cool. Now
Now we wait.
we wait for that to set up, but we can go ahead and put stuff back together. That lovely nut that you were playing around with in there. You gotta tighten it up. Something different? Different type of 10?
No, I got it.
You got it? You just
I'm just gonna see. No,
getting there.
getting there now. See, I can't tell if I'm on the nut or not. On the bolts.
You guys aren't even watching here. Not that there's anything to see, just Chris has got his fingers in the door. I'm not really sure what he's doing.
Hey, there we go.
He doesn't know what he's doing. I mean, he knows what he's doing.
That's pretty good. Probably go a bit more now. There we go.
You get it?
Want to go a bit more?
No, that should be good.
Cool. That works.
All right, so we got the wing window back in place with the lock, and it's all buttoned up. Works pretty good. There we go. All right, so as you saw, we got the wing window in. Hopefully that will help someone. It's not terrible. You just have to take your time. The rivets, that's probably the biggest pain in the butt.
Yeah.
Is getting the old ones out and then making sure you get those good and secure when you go to put the new ones in. And like you saw on that top one, it's not really a rivet. It's like kind of like a, I don't know what you call that, a smush bushing. I don't know.
Yeah,
I have no idea what it's called. But you saw how we did that. Worked for us, may not work for you, but hopefully that gives you an idea on how you can get that in there. And yeah. All right. With that, we appreciate you guys watching. And Chris is gonna go back inside because he's got his jacket on. He's cold.
Yep.
So
It's cold.
yeah,
It's like 40 something.
it is. It is like 40 something. It is not. This is not typical Florida weather, but
No, it don't.
yeah, it won't last long. It never does.
No.
No. So, all right, guys. Thank you. Appreciate the support, and we will catch you on the next one.